Good day, everyone. My name is James Ronquillo, and I am in grade 9 at FMSOL. Today, I am going to be reciting a poem that was composed by me. It is entitled English Empowers. I hope you enjoy my poem. English, a language that empowers, whether it's written, spoken, or read, conveying ideas and exchanging concepts, creating solutions that keep us ahead. No matter our race or ethnicity, English serves a bridge to unite us all. Widely used across all publicity, we hear it everywhere, from streets to the mall. However, we may run into some setbacks, problems that block our improvements. It's not uncommon to face certain drawbacks, language barriers that slow our movements. No matter what happens, communication is key. Never stop trying. Don't leave progress be. Talk it out with your companion. Find a point both can agree. These small challenges are things each and every one of us can break free. So never stop trying and keep acquiring knowledge. Keep learning and practicing the English language. Always be bold and may our speech be proud. Continue in reading and speaking English aloud. Thank you and have a great day.